Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Today in class, one of my students told a very entertaining story about a rather grim thing that she saw at her local supermarket. She was in the queue for the checkout, waiting to pay, and at the front of the queue was a very drunk-looking guy who stank of booze. You could smell the booze coming off him. And he was trying to buy one beer, but he was fumbling around in his pockets. He didn't seem able to find the money, and everyone behind him in the queue was getting more and more impatient. Finally, the guy directly behind him said, fuck it, look, I'll tell you what, I'll pay for the beer, okay? Just get a move on and come on, let the rest of us get served. So the guy pulled some money out of his pocket, and at this point, the drunk guy turned round and said, thank you very much. In that case, do you mind if I grab one more beer? This almost pushed the guy who was offering to pay over the edge. And he responded by saying, listen mate, don't push your luck, okay? One's quite enough. If you push your luck, you try too hard to get a particular result, and you end up losing what you'd already gained. You might want to think about this in terms of gambling, where maybe someone has won £1,000, and rather than quitting while they're ahead, they decide to try and win £10,000, and so they bet everything on one big gamble, and they may end up pushing their luck too far and going home empty-handed. In the same way, maybe you run a small business and you've asked someone to cover for a sick worker on Saturday, and then you realise you need someone on Sunday, and you kind of think, maybe I could ask that person to do both days. Well, no, maybe not. I mean, she has already agreed to work on Saturday, and I think I'd probably be pushing my luck if I asked her to do the whole weekend. You might also say, for example, to a colleague of yours who's thinking of asking for extra time off, listen, I know the boss likes you, I know you're in the boss's good books, but don't push your luck, okay? The boss has been known to turn on people who she thinks are taking the mickey, who she thinks are taking the piss. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you think you might use push your luck.